It is the heartfelt prayer at the feet of the Lord of the universe to gracefully ascend the chariot. It's not just a ritual, but the journey of realization. Like the millions of self luminous stars dazzling in the galaxy, the devotee are not less than the cosmic ocean of stars, awaiting to get a glimpse of the most beautiful master of all hearts, the Swami Jagannath. मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी। In Silpasara scripture, the car is divided into 13 parts: Chakrapitha, Aradanda, Gagara, Mulanava, Barandi, Hansapata, Rathagarbha, Parabhata, Kalasapitha, Dadinauti, Karnala, Dhatu Kalasa, Ayodhya Dhwaja. Different peoples are engaged in building of the chariot and stitching of the different cloth that will be used in chariot. Here the peoples are engaged in painting the different nartaki, different dancer that will be used in chariot. All are maintaining the social distance and they are engaged in building of the chariot. Jai Jagannath. Nandi Ghaso, the height is 45 feet. There are 16 wheels and 4 horses. The deity that are present: Harihara, पंडु नृसिंह, गिरि गोवर्धनधारी, रावण छत्ररंग, चिंतामणि कृष्ण, नारायण, मधुसूदन, लक्ष्मण, पंचमुखी महावीर. In Taladhwaja, the height is 45 feet. There are 14 wheels and 4 horses. The side deity are Pralambari Mahadev, Baisi Bhujan Nrsimha, Balaram, Natvar Ganesh, Angad, Natambar, कार्तिकेश्वर, मधुकैटभ, अनंत वासुदेव. Darpadalana, Devadalana. The height is 44 feet 6 inch. There are 12 wheels and 4 horses. The deity that are present are Ma Bimala, Mangala, Barahi, Bhadrakali, Uma, Kattayani, Harachandi, Ramachandi, Aghora. Balaram Das was one of the devotees of Lord Jagannath who was able to move the Lord of the universe in his heartfelt tears of complete devotion. It was the day of Rath Yatra. He was engaged with worldly pleasure, but the glowing of Kanch and Ghanta snatched away his consciousness, declaring the arrival of beloved. He lost his control and came to see the Lord, but he was thrown away. His heart broke with unending sorrow. He went to the seashore and made chariot in sand and awaited with utmost devotion for the Lord to come near him. Finally, Lord ascended his sand chariot. Kasyapari was one of the greatest devotees of Lord Jagannath. Once he decided to offer the first coconut from a newly planted coconut tree. He raised his arms offering the coconut, and all of a sudden it vanished in air and coconut shell was immediately thrown down. In every house, in the evening, there is a belief that Lord Jagannath comes near the holy basil plant for some time to listen the prayer of his devotee praying in front of the altar of Vrindavati. Sahasra Sirsa Purusaha सहस्राक्ष सहस्रपाद सबूमि सर्वत्र व्याप्तं अद्य तिष्ठदशांगुलम्. In Skanda Puran it is written, Lord Jagannath is present in our heart, whose size is very small, can be measured through our fingers, who is having thousands of indriyas. If we are able to see Lord Jagannath in the chariot, in our body chariot, then we will never get the rebirth. रथितो वामनं दृष्ट्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. If really we can able to see Lord Jagannath in our body, if we can manifest him within us, then the car festival will be successful. Jai Jagannath.